What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another, you already know, delicious and easy recipe. We try to make it simple over here for you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheesy beef quesadilla. Yes, and we're gonna do it on the griddle, guys. Oh my goodness, when I tell you this thing was delicious, man, I just enjoyed every bite of it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. So right here we have some olive oil, some cayenne pepper, some chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, tomato paste, tortillas, some fresh cheddar cheese, oregano, black pepper, some beef stock, and right here we have our ground beef. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients. Let me tell you what we have. So right here I have a pound of ground beef, 3 cups of cheddar cheese, and I'm using freshly grated cheddar cheese rather than the store-bought because it's easier to melt. I have 7 tortillas, 2 tablespoons of beef stock, a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So guys, these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our ground beef. So we're gonna add our olive oil, bring it up to temperature. Next, add our ground beef. And we're gonna start browning it and adding our seasoning. So we're gonna add our cumin, our onion powder, salt, garlic powder, pepper, cayenne pepper, chili powder, oregano, and we're gonna give that a good mix. And we're gonna cook it for about 7 minutes till it browns. Making sure we get it all crumbled up. And this is what we have, guys. And it's time to go ahead and get it removed. I'm gonna turn this heat off. Take a look at what we have. Let's move on. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start preparing our quesadillas. So on 1/2 of the tortilla, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the cheese. So you want to make sure you even this out over all the quesadillas, so those 3 cups of cheese, but you want to make sure you do everything on one side of the quesadilla. Next, we're going to add our ground beef on top of the cheese, like this. We're going to come back with some more cheese, and we're going to start adding that on top of the ground beef. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the quesadilla into like a half moon shape, and this is what we have. And now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna take it out here on that griddle, and we're gonna get to going. So all right, so now we're out here on the griddle. It's already heated up. So what we're gonna do now is start adding our quesadillas to our griddle like this. And we're gonna let these babies cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once that 2 to 3 minutes up, we're gonna start flipping it over like this. See right now how we brown that side? Man, that's looking good. And while it's browning, the cheese is gonna melt. All right, it looks like we're there, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start removing our quesadillas, putting them on our cutting board. All right, guys, I'm gonna get these on the cutting board and into our kitchen. And this is what we have. Take a look at that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one I'm open for so we can take a look at it. Oh my goodness. Hey, take a look at that, guys. All right, so let's go on. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy beef quesadillas. Guys, take a look at this right here, man. Ooh wee. These babies they smell so good. I know they're gonna be delicious. Guys, very easy, simple recipe. You can whip this up in under 30 minutes, get them on that grill or in your pan, man, and these things be ready in less than 45 minutes, tops. So the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below if you need any of these items. So guys, don't forget, go download my new ebook, Down Home Foods, What I Learned in Alabama, at www.allwingseverything.com. So let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to go ahead and tell y'all what these babies taste like. All right, let's go. All right, so now it's time for quality control, man. I am so happy to be sitting in front of this big plate of beefy, cheesy quesadillas, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and let you guys know what it tastes like because I like them, eat them while they're very, very hot. So let's see what it tastes like. It tastes beefy and cheesy. This is delicious. Ground beef and cheddar cheese, you can't go wrong with that. Guys, as I mentioned, a very, very easy, simple, and quick recipe to do. And you got this done in less than 45 minutes. You can have dinner on the table if you want to use it as dinner, or you can either chop these up into smaller pieces, have them as appetizers when people come over. But besides that, they are delicious. You want them on your table. Guys, check out the ebook, Down Home Foods, at www.allwingseverything.com. Thank you, everybody who downloaded that ebook. I was surprised. Thank you for the support. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Yes, this is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.